Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna check out the Mercedes GLS with AMG wheels by Solido at a 143 scale. This is a new release, and also Solido released a black version as well, which will come very soon on the channel. As you can see, the model looks pretty good in the front. We have the Mercedes logo there on the hood. Also we have the wheels, which look pretty good. The brake discs seem a little smaller, in my opinion. I think they should have done them a bit larger. On the side, everything looks pretty good. Also, I love this white paint. In the back, we have the stop lights, have the GLS license plate and the Mercedes logo there as well. Also, we have the two exhausts, and also have this panoramic roof, which looks pretty nice, and also the interior looks pretty good. Let me see if I can zoom in. Quite a few details on the interior. Bear in mind this is a 143 scale model. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about this model, and also if you like this type of video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.